Welcome to KTET Physics Academy. We are going to discuss about motivation. The first point, motivation, originated from a Latin word motum, which means motion. And second one, it is the process of arousing or initiating movement in the organism. And third point, motivation is something which prompts, compels, and energizes an individual to act in a particular manner at a particular time for attaining some specific goal. And the fourth point, it's a process of arousing, maintaining, and controlling one's interest in a particular activity. Then, according to McDonald, motivation is an energy change within the organism characterized by effective arousal and anticipatory goal relations. Then, according to Sorensen, motivation means a psychological and physiological conditions that cause one to expend effort to satisfy needs and wants. According to Lindsay, motivation is a combination of forces which initiate, direct, and sustain behavior towards a goal. And what do you mean by motive? Motive is a springs of action. It's an inner state of mind or an arousal feeling generated through basic needs or drives which compel an individual to respond by creating a kind of tension or urge to act. And according to Fisher, a motive is an inclination or impulsion to an action plus some degree of orientation or direction. Then there are some questions related to motivation. Question number 1. Motivation explains. Option A, social behavior. Option B, child behavior. Option C, why of behavior. Option D, aggressive behavior. So the correct answer is option C, why of behavior. And the question number 2, the inner force that stimulates and compels a behavioral response and provide a specific direction to that response is. So seated 2014 September, class 1 to 5 teacher. Option A, motive, perseverance, emotion, commitment. The answer is option A, motive. Question number 3, the term is often used interchangeably within the term motivation. Option A, incentive. Option B, emotion. Option C, need. Option D, inspiration. So the correct answer is option C, need. Which one of the following optimizes motivation to learn? Options: personal satisfaction in meeting targets, extrinsic factor, motivation to avoid failure. Option D, tendency to choose very easy or difficult goals. The answer is personal satisfaction in meeting targets. Question number 5. Motivation in the process of learning. Sharpness, the memory of learners, differentiates new learning from old learning. Option C, makes learners think unidirectional. Option D, creates interest for learning among young learners. The correct answer is option D, creates interest for learning among young learners. Number 6, to encourage children to put in efforts in their studies, teachers need to. Option A, motivate the child, scold the child, control the child, compare the child with others. So the correct answer is option A, motivate the child. Question number 7. A teacher wants to ensure that her students are motivated intrinsically. She would. Option A, specify uniform standards of achievements for all children. Option B, offer triangle rewards. Option C, focus on the processes of learning of individual children rather than on the final outcome. And option D, plan learning activities which encourage convergent thinking. So the correct answer is option A, specify uniform standards of achievements for all children. Okay, the second part will become as early as possible. Thank you.